Welcome! Today we're going to talk about this lovely 2021 Lexus NX300h. The H in the name stands for hybrid, which features Lexus's amazing hybrid system. Lexus is Toyota's luxury division. I consider Toyota and Lexus some of the gurus of hybrid technology. They've been making hybrids pretty much longer than everyone. I remember the first Priuses coming out in the late 90s. I think it was 98 or right around there was the first Prius. And they've been making hybrids ever since, millions and millions of them, and they are super reliable. I think as far as joining a electric powertrain and an engine together, Lexus and Toyota does it better than everybody. Their hybrid synergy technology is second to none. I've had a few hybrid Toyotas myself, a couple Priuses. One had about 220,000 miles by the time I traded it in, and it still had life in it. So they can go many hundreds of thousands of miles. And you also have lower maintenance on hybrids. The biggest thing is with regenerative braking. It uses the electric motor to slow down the vehicle versus the brakes. So you use your actual brakes a lot less with that regenerative braking. So that can greatly extend your brake life. Generally, hybrids could go 150,000 plus miles before needing their first brake job. And obviously it's going to save you money on gas as well. We can take a look at the original build sheet on this one. It averages 33 city, 30 highway, a lot better than the gas-only version of the NX series. And generally, gas cars, they get better gas mileage on the highway and worse gas mileage around town, but hybrids tend to be the opposite. We can see this actually does better in the city, 33 versus 30 in the highway, and that's thanks to the efficiency of that regenerative braking. The hybrid system makes a combined output of 194 horsepower. It's not going to win any races, but plenty of power for merging in the highways, passing people. It definitely has enough power to get out of its own way. This does have a few optional odds and ends. Obviously, there's a lot of standard equipment on Lexus products, including this one. This has an automatic dimming interior rearview mirror. That was $150 with compass and home link. Then we have intuitive park assist with auto braking. That's $535. Powered back door, $400. This lovely shade of white was a $425 premium color. Then this has the premium package. That was $2630, bundling in lots of great features like 18-inch wheels, heated and ventilated front seats, tilt sliding moonroof, Lexus memory system for driver's seat, outside mirror and steering wheel, premium LED daytime running lights. Then this has a tow prep package. When properly equipped, you can tow right around 1,500 pounds. Leather heated steering wheel with paddle shifters. That was $150. Then illuminated door sills, $460 for original MSRP of $47,095. This one only has 19,088 miles. It's a clean Carfax vehicle. Most people average 10, 12, and 15,000 miles a year. So a 21 with only 19,000 miles is a little bit below average. Beautiful synthetic leather interior. It's perforated, which allows these holes to allow the ventilated seats to pass either cool or warm air through them. Very nice. We have kind of like this tracking pad with haptic feedback that we'd find on a laptop computer to navigate through the infotainment system. We have a drive mode selector. We have a rear parking camera. And you'll notice lines going up and down. That's just a GoPro illusion. I don't know why GoPro panels make like the screen flash, but I'm looking at it now. It's not flashing. It's just a GoPro thing. But yeah, it works perfectly. Nice leather up steering wheel paddle shifters. You can take control of the forward gears. We have blind spot warning, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning. The steering wheel is also heated. I believe this also has adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, which works really nice in the highway. Beautiful color combination. This lovely shade of white. This pearl white's an absolutely beautiful color. An easy color to take care of as well. White tends to show surface imperfections a lot less than darker colors like black, which is going to inevitably happen as the years and miles roll along. And even though this is classified as a compact, it does have a lot of interior space. I'm 6'2". I have plenty of headroom, leg room back here. I have this front seat adjuster for my height. Plenty of space. My knees aren't hitting the back of the front seat. I love the angular looks and lines of the NX. Kind of follows that same design theme we see throughout the Lexus product line. Not a bad thing at all. They make absolutely beautiful vehicles. As you can see, we also have that power rear liftgate. You have a cargo area cover to keep things out of prying eyes. This is easily removable. It's easy removable, and of course you can fold down those second row seats for even more cargo space. We have a cargo net in here, which is really nice. We have some great promotions going on right now. Complimentary delivery to Washington, Oregon, and Idaho. We can put this in our car hauler, so over our mobile delivery service, this lovely NX300h can be all yours without leaving your neighborhood or your driveway. Contact us for more information. Nice aggressive front end styling, very eye-catching vehicle. We have the chip guard material covering the front. It's a clear Scotch guard material that protects the front from stone and rock chips. They also put it on the front end of the mirror. This also can encounter a lot of rock chips. It's done a great job keeping the front end stone and rock chip free. It will continue to do so as the years roll along. These systems aren't cheap. Usually they retail over $1,000, but this one already has it. And there's a fantastic hybrid system, combined output of close to 200 horsepower. You'll average right around 30 miles per gallon in the city and the highway. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hope to see you soon, and have a wonderful day.